Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I review perfumes. Today I didn't do a lot of research because I thought I would just talk sort of like open free forum about the 10 perfumes that were, I would say, the biggest fails for me this year. As always, if you love a perfume, please go ahead and love it. It means nothing if I like it or it didn't work out for me. I had many great perfume success and buys. I haven't done that video yet, but I'm hoping to do that. But these are the ones that just were a miss for me for various reasons. So the first one is, I'm going to start with, it's called Benjoin en Fleur. So that means benzoin, flowers in benzoin. It's by an Italian perfume house. I'll put up the name because it's not on the tip of my tongue. And I actually blind bought this. When am I going to learn, people? When am I going to learn? Stop. But it's super duper fruity and I actually love the opening. It's super fruity, beautiful, lots of like, I don't know, fruit and floral. But then the benzoin kicks in and it is just like a pow, just like a super pack of benzoin. And to me, it was like a Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde perfume. Like they just feel like there was two perfumes in the same perfume bottle. And one of them I loved and one of them I hated. And it was just not for me. So that one is already flown the nest. I sold it to a friend of mine who's very happy with it. She loves it, so that's good. The next one, I blind bought this one secondhand because I know it's very popular and people love it. It is called Santal Blush by Tom Ford, and I really wanted to love it. And honestly, I didn't hate it at all, but I just didn't love it. I didn't connect with it, and I thought I would. I don't know why I thought I would, but it just, I don't know, it's a pricey perfume. I didn't really connect with it. And so I thought, well, I'll just pass it along. So I sold it on the gray market and hopefully someone else can love it. I know, yeah, I think it's like Taylor Swift's favorite perfume, if you can believe those things online. I love the bottle. I love a lot of Tom Ford's fragrances, but that one, I'm working on my sandalwood. I think it's just I am sandalwood-like challenged. I'm challenged in general, I think. The next one won't be a surprise to anyone because I would say it is the most divisive perfume this year. I don't know. Did you guess? You know what it is, right? It's Guidance. It's Guidance by Amouage. I got a sample of it. I almost blind bought it, and I'm glad I didn't because I can't with that one. I know people love it, and I'm happy that you love it, and I can kind of see, like, it's a really complex floral sandalwood with pear, and I think there's hazelnut. I don't know. To me, it smelled like sweaty hockey equipment. And you know that smell. Like when I pick up my sons from hockey and that bag is in the back of the car and I have to like roll down the window to like breathe in clean air because it smells so bad. Yeah, I don't need a $400 perfume to get that smell. I get it every weekend for free. And it don't smell good. Yeah, and even the longevity on that, it's not even that it's so not good to me, it just was so strong. Like I couldn't even touch the sample because it would get on my fingers. So I literally took it with a tissue and put it in the garbage inside. So please don't hate me. And if you love it, I know I'm an a-hole, so whatever, I guess. Not for everyone. And the next one is Levant by Ormond Jane. I think I already talked about this one. This one was highly hyped by a very popular influencer. So I got a sample. I did not like that at all. It was like a really, to my nose, it was a really heady, white floral, stinky flower floral. I did not enjoy that at all. It was kind of one of those where you're like, oh, what? What? That's what? I don't, no. I love Ormond Jane. I have a few of theirs, but Levant, no. The next one is Musamum White Intense, the Middle Eastern perfume. I had that perfume for a little bit, and I don't even know what to say about that. I didn't hate it. I didn't love it. I liked it a bit, but it just was so odd. It was just, I don't know. There's like coconut, there was ylang ylang and wood, and I don't know. It was just like it felt like a whole bunch of ingredients in the perfume bottle, and none of them, someone put no thought into it. Like they just threw a bunch of stuff, and then like, I don't know, there's your perfume. You know what it made me think of? I don't know. I think it's a Canadian show that was on in like the 80s. It was called like, was it Just for Kids or something like that? It was a kids show where the kids would come on with their mom, and they would take the moms away, and there was like 3 kids, and they had to bake something, and they would have all the ingredients, and they'd put flour and eggs and spices, but like they of course would put all these like bad ingredients there. So the kids would put like oregano and like, you know, pork chop seasoning, and like sometimes there'd be like no liquid or whatever. And then they would like put it in the oven and bake the cookies. And then the poor moms would come out and have to sample these and be like, I think that one is my kid's. And they were like horrific. Yeah, that's what Musamum White Intense made me think of, that someone's kid made that in like, I don't know, art class. Chypre Mojo. I don't know why I didn't like that one. I like patchouli and I like grapefruit. And this one was like a patchouli and grapefruit perfume. It just was bad. I just couldn't. And I bought it secondhand. It was only a partial, so that wasn't a great loss. And actually, it was one of the ones I traded to another friend, or I guess a new friend, and she loves it, so it's good. But yeah, Chypre Mojo did not. That was a fail. That was like a crash. Ambra by Jeroboam. I also blind bought this one. This is a lot of blind buys that didn't go well. But I got influenced online. It was supposed to be like a woody, ambery, balsamic, I think maybe vanilla, I can't remember now. It was very balsamic. Very like if you took a bottle of balsamic vinegar and poured it on wood, that's what, like, I think I tried it once and I was like, rotten wood and balsamic vinegar. Yeah, I don't know. I believe the influencer who said it was like sophisticated and like a grown-up amber. I don't know. It's like a sour street smell of broken bottles of booze and rotten wood. I don't know. Radical Rose, supposed to be close to Portrait of a Lady, which I like. I did not like that one either. I don't know. It's almost like someone tried to do a knockoff of Portrait of a Lady by Frederick Malle, and they just failed miserably. It didn't sit right. It didn't smell right. I did not enjoy that at all. I bought it on the gray market and I sold it on the gray market. So it was like a quick in and out, keep moving. Did not appreciate that one. And if you saw my review of the Balmain, I just taped the Balmain review discovery set. There's one, the last one on the thing was called Bleu Infini. It's one of these little vials here. I can't read it. It was like a mossy, lichen, kind of earthy green smell. And I didn't particularly like it. And then I got a really bad headache and I had to smell it all day because it wouldn't wash off. And yeah, that was a huge fail for me. Like, I can't even smell it anymore. Like, I don't know. It's just not great. So, Again, I hope I didn't offend anyone. Like, I'm just trying to be jokey and like make light of it. And everyone's tastes are different. There's nothing wrong with any of these perfumes. Sometimes it's my nose, sometimes it's my chemistry, whatever, personal taste. I'd love to hear about what your fails are. What is your biggest perfume fail of the year? Please make me not feel so bad. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. It really helps the channel. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.